Fresca.
Well, it tasted like Fresca, so.
Gross. Should we do microphones?
Okay. Is it on?
Mine's on.
Mine's on.
Mine's on.
Mine's on.
Mine's on.
Mine's on.
So, oh, there we go.
Mine's on.
Activated.
Activated.
Mine's on.
Mine's on.
Mine's on.
Mine's on.
Come on. Mine doesn't want to come on. What the hell?
Is there batteries in yours?
Oh, I put this one in backwards. I'm an idiot. Like, how long have I been using batteries?
Okay,
Let's do a quick sound check. Okay, sound check, move around. Do a little dance, make a little love. Get down to that. Woo!
Oh, Lord. Like, why does everything seem wrong? There we go. Uh-oh. I have 2 number 6s.
Uh-oh.
There's only...
You're so good at counting.
8 things.
To 5.
Yeah. Got it nailed.
Yeah.
To 5. After that...
It's a crapshoot.
It is.
Yeah.
You're taking your chances.
Hey.
Hey. Oh, what a nice spring day.
Spring in Canada. At least it's sunny.
Yeah, it looks nice, and then you go outside and winter slaps you in the face.
Yeah.
Got my power hair going.
Do you?
Yeah.
Lock and load. Lock up the house and load the stuff into. Rose is waving at us.
Oh,
I waved.
I didn't see.
She likes me better than you anyway. Why do I have that on?
You put that on this morning?
Yep. Going to work apparently. Nice, and that's a full length?
Well,
almost.
Yeah.
3/4 length?
Yeah, it's because I'm so tall. Okay, go.
Stop it.
I'm not doing anything. Okay, wait. Ready?
Yeah.
And scene.
That doesn't help. Seatbelt.
What seatbelt? But you always tell me not to wear my seatbelt when we're not on cameras.
I guess the car key won't work with the truck.
What? Hey, quit trying to start the truck.
It's a good thing it doesn't start more than once.
God, like, you did it and then you touched the thing and then you tried to start it again. Like 3 times in 10 seconds you tried to start the truck. Like, I'm thinking there might be something wrong with you. Hillsdale. You should know where that is. You've lived here long enough.
I have no idea.
What happened there?
Just a terrible turning radius.
Right, it's the truck's fault. Shouldn't you try and start the truck 2 or 3 more times? You missed your turn.
I'm turning here, right?
No!
Oh, I'm supposed to turn here. Good thing nobody is behind us.
Nope. Nothing to see here, folks.
Whoops.
No, you're
Yeah, and look at that, I got the advanced left.
See you later, suckers!
Oh. Stop sign.
Heart attack.
Is there room?
Yeah, just, whoa. Oh, the mirrors were like, this close. Mini heart attack.
Oh, got it. Oh. Oh my God.
Garth Street.
Rattle my teeth out.
So we got another 2 blocks.
It's bumpy. Oh, got a nice section of road here. Ooh.
If only somebody was driving and could avoid those things. I think you're driving over bumps on purpose.
Hey, you gotta make it challenging.
Well, it was.
If it's too easy, then what's the
yeah?
What's the point?
I thought you were gonna hit the curb.
I would never do that. Okay. We're wheel
both
locked.
Tires on the curb.
Perfect. Oh, here we go. There's the curb. I found it. Yeah. Oh, oh, caught the edge of the curb. Oh, yeah. Oh, hit the curb. Oh, 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 caught the corner of the curb there. Oh, 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 that's the curb.
Oh.
Sorry.
Like, do you know where the brake is?
I like climbing the curb.
You'll be living on the curb. Oh, oh, oh. Very good, babe. That's why I keep you around.
Thank you. I thought there were other reasons too, but
Yeah. There are.
I'm good with that.
But right now, this is the one I'm focusing on. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, jiggle. Oh.
I just gotta stick it in park before I can shut it off and take the keys out.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow light. Don't fix the rear view while you're doing 70.
But that was in the days where you didn't need constant attention from your parents. You were able to just bring a coloring book and color.
Mm-hmm.
Don't have to be a pest. No, I don't have to be, but I choose to be a pest.
Yeah, it's a lifestyle choice.
I identify as a pest.
Man, you're gonna eat that thing.
You want it? That's handy. Let's leave it in the truck.
Yeah.
Like, I can see myself using that a lot. Or roll it up and stick it in your ear.
Okay.
Okay. I thought I saw a bug fly in there. I was trying to get it out. So, smile for a second.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Yeah, that's good. That's conveyor. Come on. Watch out. There.
Something just came flying in. A stick. Oh.
Oh, there's a spider in here.
I walked through a cobweb. I feel like it's all over me.
I know. At least you didn't freak out. Turn into a ninja. Yeah. Ooh, look at all the spider webs in the truck.
I know. They're everywhere. I walked through about 2 million of them on my way to the truck.
That's good.
I was kung fuing like never before.
That way they're all broken and on you before I come out.
Yeah,
So
that's...
that works out good for me.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Tastes great. Though.
Yeah. Silky.
Yeah. And it's a great way to stay in shape.
What's wrong?
I don't know, I keep feeling a bug crawling on my neck. But there isn't. It's probably the tag on my...
Or that giant spider.
Ah! Oh, got a f***ing spider crawling on my arm. I don't know where he went. That's even scarier. Ah! Why did I open the window? Out!
I just rolled the window down and the spider was like right over the top, and I was like, ah! There's a spider in here. It's freaking me out. Ugh, he was juicy.
Yummy.
He's right there.
Well, part of him is right there.
Yeah. Oh, there's a spider in here. That's just like the other one I squished.
It's in the same place, too.
Yeah, there's the remnants of the other one. And then that one.
I feel like I got a little cobweb on my face there. Ah, nature.
I know.
It's all over me.
The secret, I think, came out first. And then I think there's this one, and then there's the power as well. It's so good. I recommend it to everybody because I just think it
changed your life.
It did. And look how good it is now. You're my secret.
You don't tell anybody that you were dating?
Yeah.
Is that what you mean by that? Your other boyfriends don't know about me?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, should I put her in the back?
Yeah.
You abusing our child?
Yeah. You just elbowed her in the sternum.
I want to talk about this humidifier.
Oh, you can talk about that on your own time.
I want to show the camera. What? I have
Edit
to show
that out.
everything. No, better make it into the video. Not especially this one. Woo!
Holy, bit of a bump there.
I'm having a hard time here.
Hold it steady.
I know, it's people are like gonna go cross-eyed trying to see what I'm showing them. Okay, everybody got that? Wow. That's a beauty. Oh,
That is gangster right there.
It is. That's thug life.
Yes.
Look at that thing. I wonder what that's for. So it goes this way. You must.
You could rake some peas towards the edge of your plate or something.
Yes.
So rake a couple peas over.
Thank you. Oh my god. Those are heavy.
Yeah.
Why is everything old extremely heavy?
Well, they make paper out of trees and such, so.
It's funny that somebody else thinks that smells good too. Because most people are like, doesn't have any weird smells because I don't want it and that smells weird. That's for you. It's a candy.
Wow.
An antique candy.
Yikes. Why is it brown? Candy should never be brown unless it's chocolate flavored.
Try it.
No.
I give you $1 if you don't. Oh no, it's a bead.
Oh, I thought it was a candy.
Try it. It's pretty fancy.
It tastes like grape.
Yeah. Try it.
It's a great way to stay in shape.
Oh, he's pulling over that guy. Okay, you're up, I think. Where is she going? Pull over, stupid. Doesn't sound right.
No.
I don't think it's supposed to sound like
Needs a muffler.
that. Needs a match. What is this kid doing? I'm gonna open the door really fast. Knock him over. Okay.
You need to leave long pauses in between talking about this and the stuff I need to edit out of the video so that... I wonder if this guy beside me can hear his radio.
It's shaking our truck. Like honestly, the bass is like in here. We should just be like, go up at the window there. Can you see? Oh, he's not looking. Otherwise, I'm gonna be like. He just started signaling. Is this live PD?
Somebody's gonna think you're drinking a big beer. Yeah, I see that. That looks yummy.
You should probably open it, because apparently I don't know how.
Well, the last one I opened, I shoved it right under my fingernail.
Oh, yeah. You don't know how.
I ended up bleeding, so.
I forgot about that.
Good.
It's delicious.
Yeah, it's okay.
What?
It's the diet one.
I don't know you all of a sudden.
Oh yeah, it's punched.
Yeah.
I like the sugared punched. The diet one, it's okay. It's not as good as the sugared punched.
We're never gonna get sponsored if you keep talking like that.
Hey, I'm just keeping it real. You can have a sip of your Rockstar.
That was a big sip.
I didn't say how large a sip.
That's not yours.
Mm-hmm.
Really getting your money's worth. It's taking you the... I don't know why I would choose this route. The road less traveled?
Yeah, the road less fixed.
Did you choose that option? Because don't choose that one anymore.
Ooh, bumpy. Mm-hmm. You okay? You wearing any of that yet?
Mm-mm. No, I had a mouthful and then it was only half a mouthful.
It's a little bumpy.
Can't drink it here, yeah.
Are you okay?
Good thing we're not sharing this one, that's all I can say. Because this one will taste a lot like the inside of my mouth.
Gross.
Whatever. I just don't tell you usually. Trying to have a drink here. Can you go over less bumps, please? I'm just gonna put that back down.
Yeah, you might as well just wait until we get to another city.
Yeah, yeah.
Good job, babe. Oh, that was terrible.
Well, I know, but I'm trying to do stuff here and I don't have my seatbelt on. You're trying to kill me.
So disappointed.
Don't you suck your teeth at me. Yeah. See?
Now the truck's beeping at you.
Beeping at you.
No, you.
You. Is
this still recording?
I don't know. How do you know? There's a little camera in this corner. 1 hour, 1H.
Yeah.
04.
Can you hit the shutter at the top?
This?
Yeah. Wow. Let's hope the next one's just as good.